there, science fans! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we explore the wonders of the world around us. Today, we're diving into the fascinating and sometimes mysterious world of derivatives. Now, derivatives might sound complicated, but trust me, they're not as scary as they sound. In fact, once you get the hang of them, they can be incredibly fun and insightful. Derivatives are super helpful tools that we use every day to understand how things change. Whether it's in our daily lives or in complex scientific research, derivatives play a crucial role. Imagine you're on a roller coaster. The thrill, the excitement, the ups and downs. It's climbing up, 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 and then zoom! It plunges down. The speed and acceleration are exhilarating. Derivatives help us understand how fast the roller coaster is changing speed at any given moment. Pretty cool, right? They give us a way to measure and predict these changes. But derivatives aren't just for amusement parks. Their applications are vast and varied. They're used in tons of different fields like physics, where they help us understand motion and forces, biology, where they can model population growth, and even economics, where they analyze market trends and financial data. By understanding derivatives, we can unlock the secrets of the universe and make better decisions about our world. They provide a powerful lens through which we can view and interpret the changes happening around us. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on an awesome adventure into the world of derivatives. This journey will not only enhance your understanding, but also spark your curiosity. Get ready to have your mind blown. The world of derivatives is waiting for you to explore and discover its many wonders. One of the coolest things about derivatives is that they help us predict the future. Well, sort of. Derivatives are like a crystal ball for mathematicians and scientists. You see, derivatives can tell us how much something is changing at a particular moment in time. They give us a snapshot of the rate of change, whether it's speeding up or slowing down. And if we know how much something is changing, we can make an educated guess about where it's going next. This is incredibly useful in fields like finance, science, and engineering. This is where the amount of change formula comes in handy. It's a powerful tool that leverages the concept of derivatives to make predictions. It's like a magic formula that lets us use derivatives to estimate future values. Imagine having a formula that can help you foresee trends and make informed decisions. For example, let's say we want to know how many people will live in a city 10 years from now. This is a common question for urban planners and policymakers. We can use the city's current population and its growth rate, which is like a derivative, to make a prediction. By analyzing past data, we can estimate future trends. Of course, our prediction won't be perfect. There are always variables and unforeseen events that can alter the outcome. Lots of things can happen in 10 years. Economic shifts, natural disasters, and technological advancements can all impact our predictions. But the amount of change formula gives us a good starting point and helps us plan for the future. It provides a foundation upon which we can build more detailed and nuanced forecasts. Ready to talk about speed? I love speed! There's something thrilling about the rush of going fast, isn't there? And guess what? Derivatives are all about speed too. They help us understand how things change over time. Well, technically they're about rates of change, but speed is a rate of change, so it counts. It's like the heartbeat of motion. Imagine you're driving a car. The thrill of the open road, the wind in your hair. Your speedometer tells you how fast you're going at any given moment. That's like a derivative. It's a snapshot of your speed. It's telling you the rate at which your position is changing over time. Every second, it updates to show your current speed, but we can go even deeper. There's more to the story of motion. The derivative of your speed is your acceleration. It's like the next level of understanding motion. Acceleration tells you how quickly your speed is changing. It's the rate of change of your speed. So if you slam on the gas pedal, your acceleration will be high. You'll feel that push back into your seat. If you ease off the gas, your acceleration will be lower. The car will slow down gently. Derivatives help us understand all sorts of motion, from cars on the road to rockets blasting off into space. They are the key to unlocking the secrets of how things move. Remember how we talked about using derivatives to predict population growth? Well, derivatives can tell us even more about populations than just how many individuals there are. They can also tell us how fast a population is growing or shrinking. This is super important for scientists who study things like endangered species or the spread of diseases. By understanding population growth rates, we can make better decisions about how to protect our planet and its inhabitants. For example, let's say scientists are studying a population of frogs. If they notice that the frog population is shrinking rapidly, they know they need to act fast to figure out why and what they can do to help. Derivatives give us the power to understand and protect the amazing diversity of life on Earth. Section 5. Business and Money, Derivatives Making Sense. Believe it or not, derivatives aren't just for scientists and mathematicians. Businesses use derivatives all the time to make important decisions about money. For example, let's say you own a factory that makes toys. You want to know how much it costs to make each toy, right? Well, the derivative of your total cost function can tell you just that. It's called the marginal cost, and it represents the cost of producing one more toy. Businesses also use derivatives to figure out how to maximize their profits. By analyzing their cost and revenue functions, they can find the perfect price point for their products. So the next time you buy a toy, remember that derivatives might have played a role in bringing it to you. Section 6. Derivatives in Action, Predicting the Future. One of the most exciting things about derivatives is that they allow us to make predictions about the future. By understanding how things are changing now, we can make educated guesses about what might happen next. For example, meteorologists use derivatives to predict the weather. By analyzing things like temperature, wind speed, and air pressure, they can create models that show how these variables are likely to change over time. This helps them forecast storms, heat waves, and other weather events. Derivatives are like crystal balls for scientists and analysts, giving them a glimpse into the future. Section 7. Derivatives in Science, Unlocking Nature's Secrets. Derivatives are essential tools for scientists in all sorts of fields, from physics to chemistry to biology. They help us understand the fundamental laws of nature and how the universe works. For example, physicists use derivatives to study the motion of objects, the behavior of light, and the nature of gravity. Chemists use derivatives to analyze reaction rates, chemical equilibrium, and the properties of substances. And biologists use derivatives to model population growth, the spread of diseases, and the evolution of species. Derivatives are like keys that unlock the secrets of the natural world. Section 8. Derivatives in Engineering, Building a Better Tomorrow. Engineers use derivatives every day to design and build amazing things, from bridges and buildings to airplanes and smartphones. For example, structural engineers use derivatives to calculate the stress and strain on different parts of a bridge, ensuring that it can withstand the weight of traffic and the forces of nature. Aerospace engineers use derivatives to optimize the shape of airplane wings, reducing drag and improving fuel efficiency. Derivatives are the building blocks of innovation, helping us create a better and more sustainable future. Section 9. Derivatives in Finance, Making Smart Investments. Derivatives play a crucial role in the world of finance, helping investors make informed decisions about their money. For example, financial analysts use derivatives to assess the risk and potential return of different investments. They can use derivatives to create complex financial instruments such as options and futures contracts that allow investors to hedge against risk or speculate on future market movements. Derivatives are powerful tools that can be used to manage risk and maximize returns in the financial markets. Section 10. Derivatives in Medicine, Saving Lives with Math. Believe it or not, derivatives are even used in medicine to save lives. For example, medical researchers use derivatives to model the spread of diseases and develop effective treatments. They can use derivatives to analyze medical images such as X-rays and MRIs to detect and diagnose illnesses. Derivatives are helping us advance medical science and improve human health. Section 11. Conclusion Derivatives, a world of possibilities. Congratulations, science fans! You've just completed an awesome journey into the world of derivatives. We've learned that derivatives are powerful tools that help us understand how things change. They're used in countless fields from physics and engineering to finance and medicine. By understanding derivatives, we can unlock the secrets of the universe, make better decisions about our world, and even save lives. So keep exploring, keep asking questions, and never stop learning. The world of derivatives is full of endless possibilities.